Hello, good. This is Shirley. Shirley, our week of these have gifts. We're page free for those who deliberately different. We also create YouTube tutorials to bring out your creative genius. I am coming on here to let you know that I am having a 48-hour flash sale where I am selling my uh, denim blanks. I have made some denim blanks especially for this sale, and I want to present them to you. We have, it's going to be a set of nine, really 18 pieces. So we'll have this round set. Let's see here. Okay, this is number one. This is number two. Number three. Three, 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 three. Let's see. One, two, three. And then four. And four. Let's see. Okay, that's four. And then five. These are five. And, and then this pair is six. Six. This little pair is seven. This pair of studs would be studs is eight. And this pair of studs is nine. So I'm going to show you how you can dress them up a little bit if you just don't want to do just plain studs. For this round one, you can just put a little wire wrapping on it. Oops, here. Okay, there it is. Put a little wire wrapping on it, and there it is. So that's the first one. Let's see, the second one here, you can, put a little embellishment on it, and there you have something really nice and unique. The next one, oops, my embellishment fell off. Okay, this is for demonstration purposes only. Okay, and then let's see what did I do with that one? I guess I didn't do, well, this one I didn't do anything with, but I mean, well, and I guess, you can just wear it just like, oh, if I could move my fingers out of the way, just like that. Put it on your hook, and there you have it. Let's see. Then the next one, the third one, this one, I just put a piece of leather on the back of it. Let's see if I can turn it right. I wonder if it would be better if I showed it this way. Oh, it might be better for you to see it this way. Okay, yeah. This one, I just put a piece of leather in the back of it. So that's that one. And then the next one, just put a piece of fabric. So there's lots of things that you can do with these blanks. And everybody wears denim. So let's see, what else did I do? On the little tiny one, this is a little 1-inch one. I just put it on the earring hook, and there you have it. Just a cute little denim earring for people who don't wear big earrings like we do. Okay, and then of course some little studs. You're just gonna put a post back on it, and you're gonna have your stud. You can do it like either turn it this way, like a teardrop, or upside down teardrop. And the pricing that I have on this, like I said, it's 9 pair, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pair, 18 pieces for $25, free shipping. And as a bonus, you get the first 5 orders will get a pair of these. I did I did my denim with well, I should have put, well, let me show you the ones that I'm wearing. I have strips of the, what do you call the side of the denim when the stitching, yeah, the stitching side of the denim. I did strips and strips of that along with leather and some of my hand painted leather. But I think these are just so cute. So when you buy these uh, 9 pair, $25, the first 5 purchases will also get these 2 blanks. I won't have the ear hooks on them, but I'll just send the blanks just like they are. But I just think they are so cute and unique. Um, some of them I cut them. I put it on wood and I cut it on my Glowforge, and then others I the The wood ones were kind of thick, but they're still lightweight. But I decided to uh, put it on leather, and so here are the ones that are on leather. They're a little bit thinner than the. I wonder if I could see if I could put it like that and show you. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, these are on leather. So they're a little bit thinner, but still, they're just real. I think they were really cute. And you could sell these for $20. So, so you would have a total of 10, 10 first 5 people to buy this pack. You're actually going to get 10 pair of earrings for $25. You can't 10 pair of handmade earrings for $25. So I am going to put a link in the description that will take you to my Shopify store, and you can make your purchase. This flash sale is going to be and Sunday and midnight Monday is how long it's going to go. All right, good people. If you have any questions, let me know. Um, Hopefully, I've covered everything. All right, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.